Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Thompson, and I've been getting a couple of questions from students and staff asking, how am I getting these ST Math puzzle totals for the week? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through what I do when I log into ST Math in order to get the totals for each class, for each grade level. So I'm going to log in, and when I log in, I can see all of Shaw. I can see all of the classrooms that are at Shaw. Now you'll notice that Mr. Gervais has multiple classrooms in there, and each teacher has each of their sections in there as well. So for example, Mrs. Hayes's class, one class did 4 puzzles this week, and the other class did 33 puzzles this week. So what I do is I look at this column that says this week puzzles, and I just count up the number of puzzles for each class. Now you'll notice that we have Miss Hahn in here, and she's not a math teacher, but she has 2 sections in there. Well, Miss Hahn's partner teacher is Miss Bush, and she also has 2 classes in here. So instead of counting them twice, I only count Miss Bush's class. I don't count Mrs. Hahn's classes. And I do count Mr. Gervais' classes. He has all of the classrooms. So you're really getting double the puzzles if you think about it, because you're getting the points for being in Mr. Gervais's classes and being in your homeroom. So what I do is I take this week's puzzles and I just sort them from least to greatest and I add them up. There's 0 to Mr. Gervais in 6th grade, 0 to Mr. Tarka in 6th grade, 2 to Miss Ekstrom in 6th grade, 2 to Mr. Gervais in 6th grade, and I just keep going until I add up all the points for 6th grade. Now, some of you might be thinking, wait a minute, but I've done more puzzles than that. I'm only taking this week's puzzles and I'm adding them up. The contest started this week, so I'm starting with this week's puzzles. You have done a ton of puzzles this year, including stuff from last year. I'm not counting all of the puzzles you did this year. I'm only starting at the ones we did this week. That way, everybody starts at an even playing field. So if you have more questions about that, feel free to find me. I can help you. And I hope that this motivates you to have some more fun with ST Math. Talk to you later.